This is our friend the kangaroo. Diba? Say hello. Hello. Wanna shake my hand?
Mabuhay Filipinas!
Tulad sa sinabi ni Hali, mabuhay Pilipinas. Nandito kami ngayon sa... Where are we, Hali?
Currumbin Park.
Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary. So here at Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary we have a lot of Australian animals, wild Australian animals. Diba, bebe?
Oh, yay! My kangaroo!
Yeah, Shanta's gonna meet the kangaroos. She's gonna pet the kangaroos. We're gonna give her a real Aussie experience dito sa Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
The Tamar wallaby, Shanta. Let's go have a look. The big
Anong
ones.
difference in wallaby and kangaroo?
Yung wallaby maliit, yung kangaroo malaki. There he is. Can you see him, Hallie?
Yes.
Quokkas are incredibly cute, but sometimes they bite. Touching and petting the quokkas is not permitted. Hello, Shanta. Pantay ha.
You said I could pet them.
You get to pet them, baby. There's a different place. It's not here. You can't pet the wallaby, but you can pet the kangaroos. Beshi, Bess, si Bess.
Si Besh.
Nahanap natin si Bess. Go, Shanta. We're gonna see all these birds in this little aviary. The rainbow lorikeet. Where, Hallie?
Up there!
Ang daming ibon dito. Oh yes, Shanta, my favorite bird. The cassowary. This is just a statue of one though.
They should be.
Dito sa loob ang pinaka-paborito kong ibon. Tingnan natin. It's called the cassowary. Oh, it's so big! Look, Shanta, it's a native Australian bin chicken. Ellie, look, it's a flying fox.
No.
You wanna go get it?
Yes. Let's go! Joke lang. Bye!
Pabebe talaga ang asawa ko, no? Hello, Hali. Sige na, Shanta, pasok ka. Pasok ka na. Hello, Hali. Hello. Yeah. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the Kangaroo Sanctuary. Are you excited, baby? You excited to see the kangaroos?
Really excited ako mag-pet. Oh, look! Look!
It's a big emu. Two of them. These are native Australian animals called the emu. Yeah, no, you can pet him. See? See? Shanta and Hallie?
Yes.
Hello.
It's Chico!
buddy. Oh, you didn't like that.
Yeah, that one.
Diba? Hey, buddy. Hello.
Who was that? Homemade. We got scared. They all stood up. Look.
It is strong.
There's nothing there.
Nothing there, mate. It's all gone.
Nothing there.
It's all gone.
I'm so scared. There's nothing there.
It's all gone, mate. It's all gone. Ubus na. Wala na. Wala na. Ubus na. Inubos mo kasi. Marunong mag-Tagalog ang mga emu. Oh, he's coming back, Shanta. He wants some more. He wants more.
Sinusundan ako. Tingnan niyo. Oh my
He won't leave you alone. He thinks you got food. You got no food left, mate. Wala na. This is our friend the kangaroo. Diba? Say hello. Hello. Wanna shake my hand? Shake my hand.
No.
Red kangaroos. Here we go. Ang mga red kangaroo nakatira sa desert, kaya parang buhangin lang ang nandito sa area na to. That's a big red kangaroo right there. Yeah.
Kailan kayo? Dali naman kasi ko mga siya man dito.
Oh, mo di ay. Bisay di ay ka mo. Oh, taga asaman mo.
Davao.
Ah, Davao.
Sagom.
Doon ay mga Filipino din sa Australia.
1, 2, isa pa.
Oh, anything like that. Now this here is a big red kangaroo. Look at that bicep. Friggin' hell. Is that your first time patting a kangaroo? Did you like it?
Oh, adoro.
You're beautiful.